Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: Google app or Chrome installed and visible. First, find the Google icon on your device or desktop. Tap it to open instantly. If you need quick actions, long press the icon to reveal shortcuts like Search, Voice, or Discover. Once done, choose Search to start typing or Voice to speak. Make sure to sign in if you want personalized results and synced history. That sets you up for the next steps. Now dive deeper. Use the icon's shortcuts. Search for text, Voice for hands-free queries, Lens to scan images, or Discover for tailored content. Tap Settings from the app to enable personalization, voice match, and shortcut preferences. These make results faster and smarter. Once configured, add the Google widget or pin the icon to your dock for one-tap access. If you use Chrome, make sure the Google icon leads to the finish by verifying sync and sign-in so your searches, bookmarks, and preferences follow you. Tap the Google icon and run a sample search to confirm features like voice and lens work. If the icon is unresponsive, restart the app or device. That often resolves temporary issues. Make sure to clear cache or reinstall the app only if needed, and check permissions for microphone and camera. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh account links and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.